Ruby, a rat just ran by your foot. I'm not joking.
I'm being kidnapped by a kid.
I'm gonna stop Adam with a tea bag.
Hey, Simon's in here! Getting all packed up. We're leaving Krabi today and headed back to Bangkok. But look at this. We found the salami.
Salami. We didn't lose it. It was in the yellow bag.
Guys, I found the salami! I found the salami!
Life is not over.
Bye, Krabi house. What fun we had here. It's gonna be, we're excited for so much more fun, but this was awesome. Johnny is totally loving on those Toyota 12 passenger vans. Too bad they're not made in the US. We gotta figure out how to get them there.
Shipped to us, right?
Totally.
Isn't Sarah a great mom, showing the kids the planes out the window? It was so cute.
We have to show Canyon getting on the plane, us getting on the plane, because he wanted us to FaceTime him while we got on the plane, and it just won't work.
Yeah, he was sad. I think he's really missing us.
I think so too.
We're missing him too, all the kids.
Canyon told us that he wants us to ride an airplane elephant.
Sawadee-ka. It's good?
Perfect, yes.
Sawadee-ka. Sawadee-ka.
It's good. It's good? What is it?
Strawberry apple.
Yum.
Oh yeah.
Hello, Az, can you hear me?
Yes.
Over?
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm right here. I have my walkie-talkie. Do you have yours?
Yep.
So, Az made us walkie-talkies out of Legos today.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
This one is mine.
This one's mine. Mine's
Yours
bigger.
is fatter than mine.
Is it because I'm older?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Just make walkie-talkies for fun. Cause they're so cool.
Oh, look, we get separate beds.
Room tour.
Look how cool. It's a beautiful room. Johnny's getting ready for a photo opportunity. Whoa.
Bangkok, we're here. We're gonna go find some food in Bangkok.
One night in Bangkok makes the heart grow fonder. Is that the way it's there?
I have no clue actually. Hurry, Ruby, hurry! Ah!
You could get killed out here.
Are you kidding me? I want this mini.
Johnny's better.
Yes, look at that! Hidden! I have never been to a place that has so much fresh fish. There is calamari, there's actual real full red fish. It's incredible. The food here smells so good. Now you have the nasty smells of the city, that just the natural stuff, but this food is amazing smelling. We finally found the good part where it smells good. We just found a little place that we decided we're gonna eat at. and they moved people around that were already seated and already eating just to accommodate our group. These people around here are amazing and just doing incredible things with this food. It smells amazing.
Oh, mine's all
Yeah,
like,
Ruby's in, Ruby's
There it
in.
is.
I'm struggling, guys. Oh my God. Right now. Never tried
And
It's really like bitter at first, but
Yeah?
it's really good.
it's good?
Hey, let's see it.
She also said they're out of season.
Yeah, I think that when the seed gets too big, they're too ripe. Like
So
I
what do
had
you
one
think?
that was really soft and didn't have a
No, it's
seed.
really
It was
white.
amazing.
I like
and the
it.
white. I like it.
Ruby, a rat just ran by your foot. Ruby? I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Confirmed rat.
It's 100% confirmed rat. Did you see the rat? It was by Ruby's foot. Oh! Oh! Holy crap! Did you see that?
I like jumped
Okay.
at Sarah. I'm like, son!
We just found out that there are rats here. Oh, and we're not supposed to go to the happy time.
Not happy.
No happy massages.
sad in the
No
massages.
happy ending. Sad massages only.
First category is talents. First up is Savannah.
My talent is gonna be doing a back bend.
Ooh. Wow, good job. Next up is Lizzie.
I don't know what mine is called.
Woohoo, that was so tricky. Last but not least is Az.
My talent is gonna be the straddles.
Woohoo! The second category is fashion. First up, we have Az.
This is called the shoe wrangler. Dad, yeah. Hi, everybody.
The last category of the day will be the best dance. First up is Lizzie.
I will be doing the most graceful dance. Ta-da.
We've saved the best for last. Az.
Here's the lobby right here. And there is a wedding going on here and the girls couldn't resist coming in. I think they're going to go wedding crash. Right there. Oh, that's ice stands. This is big time. This is for real. It's going down for real.
Don't show any of this to Allie.
What?
They're artificial.
They're not real.
You know what? We did artificial at my wedding and they did not.
They're really artificial.
Yes.
Sawadee-ha. You know what I always say? Sawadee-ha.
Unless there's girls in dresses walking by, then I forget everything.
And then you drop everything. We have the option of getting a
taxi in a car.
We have the option of getting a taxi or riding one of these. This is so exciting! I'm so excited!
I said no taxi. I said we're going for one of these little dangerous motorcycle
This.
things. Tuk-tuks.
This.
This is Thailand.
Yeah! It's going down! It's going down for real!
Yeah! Woo! Eat that!
I don't know how this guy is squeezing in all these tight spaces. Look at this car right here.
It's like the Harry Potter bus.
You guys look awesome back there.
I know. I'm saying that light coming through.
Yeah, it looks amazing. No way.
Hey, go.
Oh, the market.
This is the big market that has everything you could ever want in it.
So here we are, choosing.
Freeze-dried fish,
I don't think it's freeze-dried.
air-dried. Okay, let's see it. Good?
Yeah. this is crap.
This is the greatest show!
Whoa, we're getting it. Hey, girls.
Exposed.
Oh no.
What are we doing?
Oh, I see sequin backpacks.
Do you know the name of this store?
Where are you shopping? Is it advertiser friendly? Tell me that.
There's nothing bad here. It's all good.
Oh, it has a hood. It has a hood.
Oh, Sarah. Is it a unicorn? Are you kidding me? Is this a backpack?
It's like all my hopes and wishes and dreams in one bright one.
You could do your hair in its horn. Look how shiny it is.
Rain protected.
So we came to the movie a little early, so we decided since we were like early and we had 30 minutes left to go till the movie, we decided to come to Blinkenstaff's, right? It's just pretty much kid heaven. It's a toy store.
Look how cool the sand is. It doesn't even stick to your hands. It feels so good. And it's like, oh, it's so good.
That's such a cool puzzle. It worked. It really worked. I'm a wizard. Hey, wait a second. Hey, you made Aspen think she was a wizard. Where are you taking me? I'm being kidnapped by a kid.
Headed back. Where are we going?
Holiday Inn. Holiday. You know where we're going, I say? Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn. Freedom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tuk Tuk did not disappoint at night. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was cool. That's the way to travel in Thailand.
Oh, the air conditioner feels so good in here.
My friend Anna Ross came over and I made tea.
And I said that it tastes like when you're about to fall asleep.
No, but I made mint tea and look at that. That is not
And then
it looks like tomato juice.
30 minutes to make.
Yeah,
And then there's
been
Sky
spending
with his
20
cheese.
minutes on making a PB&J.
It took him 30. No, it
probably
took him,
doing his hair.
It took him 45 minutes to put on.
He needs to hurry because I've always wanted to slap someone with a tea bag. And Anna said he would volunteer, so my dream has always been to slap someone with a tea bag, either like out of nowhere or actually ask him first. So I'm gonna slap Adam with a tea bag.
Only one way to find out.
Can I do it? Someone's as bad as this.
And we're back out on the streets. We decided we're gonna go look at the custom-made tailor suits. I made Sarah come with me because she has taste. It's so crazy out here. It's like really muggy and like the smells and
It smells very fishy right now.
yeah, I'm enjoying this. Are you having fun?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
It is pretty awesome. This is it. This is really happening.
Going down for
really
real.
This is going down for real.
Johnny has been like dreaming of this for years.
This is happening. I'm going to get a custom-made suit that fits me.
It's gonna look so nice.
These are all the inner linings, and these are all the colors. So we're thinking
It just pops his eyes.
this one. Absolutely. Look how beautiful that looks together.
That is beautiful.
This is it. This is it. No pocket.
Better not to put pocket, because if I put pocket, I take it out, you will see the pocket mark.
No pocket.
Yeah, so she can add it later, but you can't take it away. Arena's fashion.
One, two, three. Yeah!